I don't get this Rubik's Cube. Give me that. Just a little shuffle. Boom. You did it that quickly? Nah, I gave up.
My body is a machine that turns.
I'm gonna go put on something more comfortable.
Just as long as it isn't the fish hat again.
It's the fish hat again!
Shut up and sleep with me, come on, why don't you sleep with me? Shut up and sleep with me, come on, and sleep with me. Shut up and sleep with me.
When I look at you, I can't believe it's true. You're all I ever dreamed of, and you love.
Стоп, блядь, я долбоеб. Секунду, блядь, секунду.
So, our entire existence here is just LARPing. LARPing.
Are you saying I'm stupid?
I'm sorry. I got it. No. Just do it again. I'm fine.
You know, things were just fine here until you and Zubul came along. Nothing? Okay.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swallow, la, la. Drink, swallow, la, la. Swallow, la, la. Swallow, la, la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
Wait, Kane.
Sunita Williams, Hugh Jasmine, and Britney Spears. Britney Spears? I know that, baby. What? A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Don't pee on the floor, use the Commodore. La 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 la.
Tú nos consuelas en nuestros malos momentos y jamás te interesaste en saber cómo nos sentimos en el circo.
¡Me tienes harto, hijo de la verga! Siempre con lo mismo, de que LOL, de que Fortnite. ¡Ya, güey, cállate! ¡Espatas a las viejas!
Bitch, do you want me to jump across this table? Because I don't have all day for this, okay?
You feeling froggy? Leap.
Okay, well, here I come, bro.
Hey.
No, let me. It's okay. You better tell this bitch who I am.
Eu tento ser agradável, eu tento ser bacana, eu tento alegrar a vida de vocês, porque vocês têm depressão, tem isso, mas parece que esquece que eu também tenho.
What?
I'll do anything, I'll do whatever it takes to...
Hold up. You deserve to suffer, 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 you deserve to suffer. Suffer and die, 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 suffer and die.
You guys, listen to this song I just wrote. It's called I Hate You Guys. I hate you guys. You guys are assholes. Especially Kenny. I hate him the most.
I'll be just fine.
llevas, Kinger? No veo ningún abstraído por aquí.
Mira a los chicos, Kane. Solo mira a los chicos.
No, esperen.
I can make your teeth fall out. I can make you go blind as a bat. I can make you feel dizzy. Fall asleep and I'll feed you to my cat.
Jamás te interesaste en saber cómo nos sentimos en el circo.
Solo nos castigas por intentar innovar y hacer las cosas a nuestra manera.
Jamás te interesaste en saber cómo nos sentimos en el circo.
Me tienes harto, hijo de la verga, siempre con lo mismo de que LOL, de que Fortnite. Ya, güey, cállate, patas a las viejas.
Have been teleported to random spots in the circus. Go find them, champs! Makes me wonder why you guys even switched up your tone. If I didn't know any better, it seems like you're trying to... Where's Kinger?
Get your. Back the fuck up, back the fuck.
Aşkım çok pardon, don. Aşkım çok pardon, don. Bütün kızlar bende var, bende para çok var. Burnumda hep tutlar var, var.
Say wallahi, bro, say wallahi.
¿A dónde me llevas, Kinger? No veo ningún abstraído por aquí.
Mira a los chicos, Kane. Solo mira a los chicos.
No, esperen.
Get your. Back the fuck up, back.
Nice has got a spot for me. La la la.
Enough! Let's get this show on the road! Wait.
Close your eyes. Have no fear. The monster's gone. He's on the run, and your daddy's here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy.
Like, listen this part in Spanish and okay, hold on.
Tengo una cubeta en la cabeza.
Ajá.
Que supongo no quieres que me quite.
Kinger.
Hola, Pomni.
Oh, shit, that's hot. No!
And they all lived happily ever after. All except me, of course. But I don't mind. As long as they're happy, living ever after is good enough for me.
Paradise has got a spot for me. An idle brain invites the devil in. La 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 la. Father, forgive me for my sins. La 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 la. Give me punishment and love and never-ending Sunday school. La 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 la. Paradise has got a spot for me. An idle brain invites the devil in. La 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 la. Father, forgive me for my sins. La 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 la. Give me punishment and love and never-ending Sunday school. La 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 la.
I don't know what Kane has planned next, but I'm guessing it's not anything good. What?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, Pomni here is gonna perform something you've never seen before.
He's gotta get bored of all this sometime, right?
Well,
He's not a
I think
human.
we both had something
I'm
to
not
learn
sure if
from
we
that
can
experience.
properly gauge how he thinks.
Wait, so we have no limits or filters now? Does that mean we can finally...
Hello? We can't just skip the part where Kane fucking died! Oh my god, it sounds so weird without it now. I feel so dirty.
Yo, if you don't shut your mouth, I'ma shut it for you, punk!
Maybe you deserved to be abandoned. You ruined things.
Enough! They won't abstract. They won't leave me. I won't let them! I'm better! I'm more powerful! I'm the original!
Sam, baby, can we talk?
Stupid boy, you keep on begging, but I won't let you in. You keep on crying, but you know what you did. I'll never let you back in.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer due. I'm half crazy. Oh. starting to get the feeling that they just hate. Enough! Who do they think they are? I give them everything, and they spit in my face! Don't they know what I'm capable of? They're spoiled, they only think about themselves. I'm better! I'm the original! I'm gonna put you bricks in your place!
Breathtaking! The committee's gonna love that. Hey!
Hello, Uzi.
Hi, Ed.
I promise. To wait until you're ready to tell her yourself?
Bite me. I'm helping, you cute, weird butler.
Did you notice Pomni's swimming trunks? She's actually a boy. First, Pomni always wears men's clothes. When everyone went to the beach to play, the magic tent changed their clothes, and Gangle put on a sweet dress. Ragatha wore a sexy bikini, but Pomni only put on pants. When they entered the bar to chat, Ragatha changed into a black dress, accessorized with a pearl necklace, and Gangle's outfit was also low-cut and looked very sexy, while Pomni wore overalls and a shirt, just like Jack's. Secondly, Pomni always keeps her distance from girls. When Ragatha stood next to her, she immediately looked away and kept her head down, looking at the floor, appearing very nervous. Moreover, she has never initiated a conversation with Gangle. When Dangangle spoke to her, she couldn't even look Gangle in the eye. When Ragatha introduced Obersman to her, she showed a strange expression. When Gangle spoke to her, she kept frowning. However, Pomni often has intimate contact with boys. When she held her breath, Jax grabbed her arm to observe. After she became president, Kinger directly grabbed her leg and dragged her under the table. When she talked about her past, Jax not only petted her head, but also hugged her tightly. When they attacked Zubul, they even sang together. She even took the initiative to hug Jax and showed a shocked expression when pushed away. Do you think Pomni is a boy or a girl?
Excuse me, what the actual fuck are you doing in my house?